Microsoft just made a surprising mistake. They used a Windows 10 UI to promote a Windows 11 feature. Let's quickly break down what happened. Microsoft Support posted a GIF on X showing how to turn on the Night Light feature. But the GIF used the old Windows 10 Action Center, even though Windows 10 reached end of support on October 15, 2025. Windows 11 doesn't even have an Action Center anymore, it uses quick settings and a separate notification center. The post reached hundreds of thousands of views, and users were instantly confused. Some thought it was a new UI. One of the top comments literally asked, "How do I get this UI? This isn't Windows 11." The AI support bot made the situation worse. It auto-replied as if the user's device was stolen, and even sent a DM misidentifying the animation. Clearly, the bot didn't understand the context. The most likely reason? The team used an old Windows 10 animation because they didn't have an updated Windows 11 version ready. The graphic looked like it was pulled straight from older Windows 10 promotional files. In Windows 11, turning on Night Light is simple. Go to Settings, click on Display. And here is toggle on off Night Light. You can also adjust intensity or schedule it. So yes, Microsoft accidentally promoted a Windows 11 feature using a Windows 10 interface, and the internet immediately noticed. A small mistake, but pretty embarrassing for the company.